Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Looking to keep your lawn perfectly trimmed? The best-rated gas string trimmers deliver powerful performance, precision cutting, and easy maneuverability for any yard size. Durable and efficient, these trimmers make lawn maintenance faster and hassle-free. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Husqvarna 130L Gas String Trimmer. The Husqvarna 130L Gas String Trimmer is a versatile and powerful tool designed for both residential and professional landscaping. Equipped with a robust 28cc engine, it reaches a maximum speed of 8,000 RPM, allowing you to tackle tough weeds and overgrown grass with ease. Digital ignition and air purge technology, which eliminates air from the carburetor for consistent starts in various weather conditions. Low vibe technology reduces vibration, making long periods of use more comfortable, while the ergonomic handle ensures a secure and fatigue-free grip. Additionally, the auto return stop switch resets automatically, enhancing convenience. Lightweight yet durable, this trimmer excels at precision trimming, weed control, and overall yard maintenance, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a high-performance gas-powered string trimmer. Its combination of power, reliability, and user-friendly features sets it apart in its class. Number 2. PowerSmart 42cc Gas String Trimmer. The PowerSmart 42cc gas string trimmer is a high-performance weed whacker designed for efficiency and ease of use. Its 25.4cc two-cycle engine delivers stable power, allowing users to cut through dense weeds, tall grass, and small branches effortlessly. This 2-in-1 trimmer comes with both a 10-inch brush blade and a .095-inch trimmer line, making it suitable for trimming, cutting, and light sawing tasks. The engine is engineered with low-emission technology, providing strong performance while minimizing environmental impact. Its durable construction, versatile cutting options, and ease of use make it an ideal choice for homeowners and professionals alike. Whether maintaining a small garden or clearing overgrown areas, the PowerSmart 42cc gas string trimmer delivers consistent performance, convenience, and durability, offering a dependable solution for keeping lawns and landscapes clean and well manicured. Number 3. PROYAMA 42.7cc two-cycle gas string trimmer. The PROYAMA 42.7cc two-cycle gas string trimmer combines power, efficiency, and user-friendly design to make yard maintenance quick and effective. Its 2 HP 51.7cc two-cycle engine delivers impressive power, easily cutting through thick weeds, tall grass, and even small branches. EPA certified, this trimmer minimizes harmful emissions, ensuring environmentally responsible operation. The handlebar design provides optimal control and balance, while the quick-release split shaft allows for easy transportation and compact storage when not in use. To enhance comfort and safety, the trimmer comes with vibration-reducing shoulder harnesses and protective accessories such as ear defenders, gloves, and face shields. The PROYAMA 42.7cc trimmer is a reliable, versatile tool for cutting, trimming, and managing vegetation, offering a well-rounded solution for gardeners, landscapers, and outdoor enthusiasts who want a high-quality, gas-powered string trimmer with easy handling and consistent performance. Number 4. Husqvarna 122LK Gas String Trimmer. The Husqvarna 122LK gas string trimmer is a lightweight, multi-purpose weed whacker designed to handle a variety of trimming tasks with ease. Its 22cc engine provides sufficient power to cut through grass and weeds efficiently, while the 17-inch cutting width allows for precise trimming in both large and hard-to-reach areas. The tap-and-go T25 trimmer head offers quick line feeding, ensuring uninterrupted work and improved productivity. Its straight shaft design enables users to reach beneath bushes and other obstacles effortlessly, making it ideal for detailed yard work. Comfortable to handle and easy to maneuver, the Husqvarna 122LK minimizes operator fatigue while delivering effective results. Durable, lightweight, and efficient, this gas string trimmer is perfect for homeowners, landscapers, and gardening enthusiasts who want a reliable, high-performance tool that combines power, ease of use, and versatility for maintaining a clean, well-groomed yard. Number 5. Husqvarna 330LK Gas String Trimmer. The Husqvarna 330LK Gas String Trimmer is a professional-grade tool designed for large lawns and demanding yard work. Its straight shaft construction supports a powerful engine, offering customizable cutting widths of 18 to 20 inches, making it suitable for both thick vegetation and wide area trimming. The rapid replace trimmer head allows for quick and simple line reloads, reducing downtime and keeping your workflow efficient. Designed for both residential and professional use, the Husqvarna 330LK excels at precision trimming, cutting dense weeds, and managing large outdoor spaces. Durable, powerful, and easy to handle, it combines innovative features and performance, making it an excellent investment for those seeking a reliable and efficient gas-powered string trimmer for any lawn or landscaping project. No matter the size of your yard or the thickness of the weeds, these gas string trimmers provide power, precision, and durability. With easy start engines, ergonomic handles, and advanced features like rapid replace heads and low vibration systems, they make lawn maintenance faster, smoother, and more efficient. Perfect for homeowners and professionals alike.